Republic Day speech for kids. Good morning to all of you. Today we are celebrating 26th January. At first, I wish you all a happy Republic Day. This year we are celebrating our 73rd Republic Day. India became a republic on 26th January 1950. It is a very important day in the history of India. On this day, the constitution of our country was formally adopted in 1950. Dr. Ambedkar, who is called the father of our constitution. We should understand the importance of this great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.